आत्मा त्वं गिरिजामतिः सहचरा प्राणाः शरीरं गृहम् पूजाते विषयोपभोगरचना निद्रा समाधिस्थितिः सञ्चारपदयो प्रदक्षिणमितिः स्तोत्राणि सर्वा गिरो यद्यत्कर्म करोमि तत्तदखिलं शम्भो तवाराधनम्. Always it has been a question that is it very important to study all the scriptures? Is there any purpose behind? Is there any reason behind studying the scriptures? Or just it is a tradition to learn, so we learn? Is this the reason? Or are we going to get any result studying the scriptures? So we have to stop wherever we are and look back what is the reason why there are scriptures and what is the purpose of their presentation. And what is the importance of all the scriptures in the day-to-day life? Can they be applicable for this present world or totally kept away? So here is a question. We have to answer that question properly. In order to answer the question, we need to know what is there in the scriptures. Unless we know what is there in the scriptures, we cannot answer this question. So it will be continued as a question, but not the answer. So what is there in this, in the gamut of scriptures? One of the mantras says, Amritasya putraha. All of us are the children of Amrita. There is another sentence. Vayam Brahmamshaha. We are the part or the sparkle of Brahma. So what is that Brahma? All the time these are the two words used widely, Brahma and Atma. What is Brahma and what is Atma? On the other day we were discussing what is Atma. Atma is that which is everywhere. The root of Atma is Apaya. Meaning is Vyaptav, Vyapti. Vyapti is to spread or to be everywhere. So Atma is that which is everywhere. So we cannot ask, is there Atma in the body or out of the body or it is everywhere? So the word Atma says that which is everywhere. Vyaptav. That is the meaning of Atma. That is everywhere. It is there in me, out of me, in the mind, in the desk, in the chair, on the floor, below the floor. So which is there everywhere, that is called Atma. So we make two divisions in Atma. One is Jivatma and another is Paramatma. So why there are two? If Atma is one, how are we dividing Jivatma and Paramatma? Parama is the highest. The word Parama says highest or bigger one or the widest. So what is that widest? If something is everywhere, how can it be widest or bigger? That is the second question. But the Paramatma is assumed because we think we are Jivatmas. If I ask a question, is this desk big or small? You may answer, it is big and small. It is bigger than the other desk is smaller than other desk. Since we think all of us are jivas or confined atmas or small or the part of it we call other, which is actual as Paramatma. But in fact, there is no difference between Jivatma and Paramatma. Only difference is the confinement or the cover or the layer, or we call that cover as Ajnana. Ajnana, the technical term for that cover, that layer, the imagination of ourselves as small is that called Ajnana. Ajnana is nothing but Jnana Abhava. Abhava is the absence. When there is absence of Jnana, it is called Ajnana. So what is this Ajnana really? So it is the funny way to present Ajnana, but it is true. If you have traveled in Bangalore, there are city buses, BMTC buses. Many drivers of BMTC buses, they assume that bus is like auto. They drive the bus like auto, like an auto. Immediately, very fast they drive. But do they know that their vehicle is bus, not the auto? So, here is a point to make. The bus is assumed as an auto. As well, in the body, in an individual, we assume this body is myself. This pranamaya kosha is myself. There are bodies, those are called dehas. Deha is a body. There are three dehas, three bodies. One is physical body, then another is subtle body, then the last one is causal body. What is this body? Physical body. The body which can be seen, which can be observed, which can be sensed. That is called physical body, which is very gross. And the second one is subtle body. What is subtle? Subtle is that which cannot be perceived, which cannot be observed, which cannot be sensed. That is subtle body. So subtle body, in fact, we call it as Manomaya Kosha. Can we see mind? No, we cannot see mind. But you can see the results or the effects of mind on the body, through the body. So everything is expressed through this physical body. Physical body is very important. But it is not stronger than subtle body. Subtle body is stronger than gross body. The gross body is controlled by subtle body. So this is subtle body, Manomaya Kosha. What is there in Manomaya Kosha? So Manas is divided into four faculties. Manaha, Buddhi, Ahankara and Chittam. What is this Manas? Manas always thinks either this or that. Should I go or not? And should I eat this or not? Should I read this or not? Should I sleep now or not? So always the faculty of Manas, faculty of Antahkarana, which has options, either this or that. That aspect is called Manaha. Then there is second aspect of the Antahkarana, that is Buddhi. Buddhi, Nishchayatmika Buddhi. In all these options, in thousands of options, which decides, yes, I have to do this, I have to read this, I have to study this, I have to go in this path, I have to listen to this. So all these are decided through Buddhi. That is the faculty in the Antahkarana. So it is called Buddhi, Manaha, then Buddhi. The third one is ahankara. Ahankara is not ego here or to be proud of oneself. No, this is not ahankara here. Here ahankara is the I-ness everywhere. For example, if I ask everyone here, what are you doing? You may answer immediately, I am sitting, I am listening, I am sitting, I am walking, I am writing, I am reading. So everywhere there is a component of I. That is not ego. So that I-ness, the presence of oneness, is called ahankara. Then the final one is chittam. Chittam is the faculty of antahkaranam, which is memory, is nothing but memory. All these antahkarana work together all the time. All these coordinate each other in a fraction of a second. We don't know when we decide. We don't know when we think. We don't know from what we remember things. But all these work together simultaneously. So this is subtle body. It is called Sukshma Sharira. Physical body or the gross body is called Sthula Sharira. Then the second one is Sukshma Sharira, which is subtle body, which cannot be seen. These are not sensed by sense organs. So these are called subtle body. And third one is causal body. Causal body is nothing but Anandamaya Kosha. We have 5 koshas. Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha, then Anandamaya Kosha. All these are bodies again, shifts. There are 5 shifts. We consider this alone is myself. But there is stronger, which is subtler than subtle body, that is causal body. Causal body is the cause for one's existence. If I should be here, there is Anandamaya Kosha, so I am here. From Anandamaya Kosha, all Vijnanamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, then Annamaya Kosha came. Those are originated from Anandamaya Kosha. That is the reason. That is the only reason that we are here. That is the reason our existence or our existence. So that is called causal body, Karana Sharira, Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, and Karana Sharira. So all these topics are discussed in the Shastras. Unless we have clear idea what we are, who we are, where we are, so we cannot move further. How? All of us are here in the Yoga University. Either one of these options. We are here to study. We are here to get rid of the problems. We are here to serve people. We are here to make other people